Hi and welcome back to another Divine Days dance class. Today we're going to be doing a dance routine to Everglow, and this routine's going to really focus on arm isolations and getting us used to doing them. So make sure you've got a drink of water handy and have plenty of space, and we'll get going. So we're going to start. You're going to do elbow, elbow, and we want to make them as sharp as we can. Elbow, elbow, and when we do the first elbow, we're going to step forwards with the same leg. So elbow, elbow, carrying on, we're going to go head to the side, back to the front. And these are really individual movements, so elbow, elbow, side, front, carrying on. We're going to do a circle with the arms, opening your arms up, and when we do this, step the feet together. So we'll go head, head, together. Very good. So from the beginning, elbow, elbow, head, front, together. Excellent. Carrying on, we're going to go step to the side, and when we do this, we want to take our body with us. So lead with the shoulder, lead with the shoulder. So we'll go head, front, together, shoulder, shoulder, continuing all the way round to end on the diagonal. So just do that bit again. Elbow, elbow, head, forwards, shoulder, shoulder, all the way round. Excellent. And then we're going to go a high V, then a low V. So this will go in, bending from the elbows, and up, in, and down. So up, middle, down, middle. Excellent. So we'll go from the round to the diagonal, up, middle, down, middle. Then to just finish this phrase off, you're going to reach your arms in front and pull it in, so that's nice and sharp. So when doing this, we want to see all the individual shapes we're making with the body. So every movement has its own purpose. So we'll just try that from the beginning. It starts about 5 or 6 seconds in. There's a little intro. Elbow, elbow, head, front, open, shoulder, shoulder, round, up, in, down, out, pull in. Excellent, so that's really good. So we've just pulled in, feet are together. Now we're going to do a windmill, but this is going to take our body into a turn. So we'll lead, up, taking the other arm up, and when we get facing back to the front, we want our arms to be low down. So we've gone in, up, up, down, down. Then we're going to do 3 arm isolations again. So you'll want arm out straight to the side, one arm bent at the elbow, and it's going to go arm, 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 nice and strong, and your feet are together. So it's going to go, we'll go from the windmill, up and down, arm, arm, arm. Then you want to tuck your arms behind your head, behind your head. Very good. So it'll go arm, 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 behind, behind. And then you want to roll your arms out to finish. So it'll go 1 circle down. So behind your head, 1 circle down. And when you're doing the circle down, you want to step your feet apart for the next move. So behind, behind, apart, and you're going to do 2 drops with the knees. So you'll go drop, drop, but when you want to do this, you want your arms to pull up, so they'll end in 2 little right angles. So bend, bend. So whilst your arms are going up, your legs are going down. Bend, bend. Reaching behind. Together. So that's drag out, then sharp. So we'll go behind, roll it out, bend, bend, reach, together. And this is just the last move. We're going to roll our hands up. So it'll go inwards to end with one arm up straight and one arm bent. On the diagonal, then you're going to do 2 drops with the arms. Gentle, gentle, so you don't want it big. You want to end a lovely straight line from one elbow to the next on a nice diagonal line. And you'll look towards that. So you'll go roll up, pull, pull, and that is the end. So we'll go from pull in and add on. So windmill, arm, 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 behind, behind, rolling out, bend, bend, reach in, roll up, bend, bend. Excellent. Now we'll add on from the very beginning. So we're going to do elbow, elbow, head, head, open, shoulder, shoulder, all the way round, up, in, down, in, out, pull in, windmill, over, arm, 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 behind, behind, roll out, pulse, pulse, out, in, roll up, bend, bend. Excellent. So that is the whole routine. So I'll do it once with me speaking the moves over, then once without for us to really dance. So I want us, when we are doing the routine now, to really think about isolating all these individual movements. So you want nice and sharp, that's more controlled. Really think about what moves can be performed with different dynamics. And we want to see each movement individually. We don't want them to merge into one. So we'll have that a little go and I'll shout over. Elbow, head, forward, open, shoulder, shoulder, round, up, in, down, in, reach, in, windmill, arm, 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 behind, behind, roll out, bend, bend, reach, in, up, bend, bend. Excellent. So the music does have a real strong beat in it. So we keep in time with that beat and try and hit the movements on the beats. That'll help with the dynamics of it. So I'll do it one more time and we can really dance it this time, nice and big as we can. And I won't shout the moves out this time, so just follow along with me. Excellent, so that is all for today. So thank you for watching and I'll leave you there to practice and I'll see you soon. So thank you and bye for now.